Hey American Pacific Mortgage family, Kurt Reisig, your chairman here with American Pacific Mortgage. I'm in Washington, D.C. In the background you can see the White House and you can see the Washington Monument. We're here for the Mortgage Bankers Convention, where we pay homage to the money gods, we secure our warehouse lines and look for the investors you guys need to buy your loans. But I'm also coming to you today not just as your chairman, but as the lone warrior. Yes, the lone warrior. Some of you may remember back in 2006 when the market was headed into the meltdown, I began this forum called the Ramblings of a Lone Warrior, where I talked about what was going on in the industry and how it was going to affect us all. I gave a lot of information, sometimes some motivation, sometimes some inspiration, but something I continued until just a few years ago. Recently, I've been comparing the current market circumstances to that period in 2007 and 2008, and I've considered bringing the lone warrior back, and after talking to a couple of people, I was encouraged to do so. So here I am again, your lone warrior. There's two or three things I want to focus on with you today in my message, and they all have to do with opportunity. Number one is what's going on in our industry. The bottom line, our industry has become overcrowded. We've had way too many PE firms, hedge firms, and other companies come into our business in the last 5 or 6 years, and a lot of what we all are experiencing now is a result of this intense competition, stupid pricing, stupid recruiting tactics that have made it really difficult for both company owners and for originators to compete in this marketplace. And now, heading into the Q4 and Q1 of next year, we're going to see a significant cleansing, and that's going to help all of us. I'll come back to that. The other thing we see going on in the industry right now is in real estate. Finally, we're seeing many markets having inventory increase a bit and bringing some balance to supply and demand between buyers and sellers. It's a phenomenal thing. It's something we've needed to have happen for a long time, bringing that balance back into the market, and it's really going to change everything in our industry over the next number of months. So the opportunity we all have as originators is to be present in the market, to get out there and make sure we're front and center in the real estate community, that we're front and center making sure that the industry sees us out there. There's going to be a lot of companies leaving the business. There's going to be a lot of loan officers leaving the business, and we want to make sure that we take that market share for American Pacific Mortgage. It's something all of us need to do. If you're an originator, it's really important. If you're doing some good things and they're working, double down. Do a lot more of it. If you're still doing things that aren't working, forget it, drop it. Adapt some new strategies. Start to acquire leads in some way. Develop a strategic partnership with a real estate firm or some type of financial planning firm. Do something different. If you're part of support staff at American Pacific Mortgage, listen, we all know the industry has changed and jobs aren't as plentiful as they used to be. Your best offense and defense is to get behind your branch manager and loan officer and do everything you can to make them look good. Get scrappy. Help the organization save money. This is how we're all going to battle through this market and make it through to the other side and take advantage of the profound amount of opportunity that we see in the marketplace today. Yes, sometimes it feels like a battle to all of us out there, but you know what? We're in it together, and we're going to come out the other side just like we always do at American Pacific Mortgage. So this has been the first return message of the Lone Warrior. Thank you for listening. Until we talk again, battle on.